Alright, back with another one here. Today's goal is to try and get this floor finished up here. Got some new grinding wheels. Got some smaller ones. We'll probably be switching to some air tools to try and get in there right up to the end. Still got this side over here a little bit, getting around the heater tube. We'll try and get most of that cleaned up now. Again, still have around here just a little bit. Pretty much all the way up to the front, and then there's the actual front lip there. You can see needs to come off, but looking like the Flintstones now. Alright. I really want to get all of this metal out here, so I think I'm going to try and take this shifter base off, and that'll give me a little leverage to get into the metal itself. So. didn't even realize when it was on there that this top plate here. So I cut through it all up here, so it's not connected to any of the other floor metal. But down here, the center piece there, it's spot welded down in here and on the other side. So I'm gonna have to clean off the metal to see where the spot welds are. The metal's just not strong enough to pry against, so. Barely. Little indents here would be the spot welds. On the other side, there's just a couple there. See a little one or two. So now we got to drill those out, grind them down, so that this one's good. One like right in the middle up here, but on the back side, right between the plates. Try and work that out. Centerpieces. Weird. Some of those I went a little deep on that one, but I'll be able to go through and fill those and just grind that nice and flat. This centerpiece actually looks pretty good, so I don't think I'm going to need to fully replace it. Actually, a lot of the frame, the actual frame rails look dirty, but really not too bad. So last thing is to get the metal around the heater tube out. Alright, this point, I'm going to call it a day. Still have the very front lip here. And just the front half around the heater tube, but everything else is pretty much out as far as the front floor goes. So stay tuned for next time. I'm going to get those couple of things taken care of and probably work my way towards getting the actual ballast off there.